Welcome to anyconnector Audio Insights, where operations meet intelligence. This is Ethan Cole. Every week, we explore the ideas, strategies, and technologies shaping the future of connected business operations. Go Live Day is exciting. Months of planning are complete. The testing is finished. Data is flowing. Stakeholders are celebrating. The integration is officially live. But here's the question. What if Go Live isn't the finish line at all? What if it's actually the starting line? Today, we're exploring why the most successful integrations aren't defined by how they launch, but by how they perform long after deployment. For many organizations, a successful Go Live feels like mission accomplished. After all, the integration is working. Systems are exchanging data. Business processes are moving forward. It's natural to assume the hard work is over. But integrations don't operate in a static environment. The systems they connect continue evolving. Business requirements change. Data structures grow. New workflows emerge. An integration that performs perfectly on launch day can face challenges months later if it isn't actively managed. That's why leading organizations view integrations differently. They don't treat them as projects that end at deployment. They treat them as business capabilities that require ongoing attention. One reason integrations require continuous oversight is simple. Technology never stands still. Software vendors release updates. APIs change. Authentication requirements evolve. New applications are introduced. Business processes adapt to new opportunities and customer expectations. Even data itself changes. New employee classifications are added. Product catalogs expand. Reporting requirements evolve. Compliance regulations shift. Every one of these changes can affect how systems exchange information. And if integrations aren't maintained alongside those changes, they gradually become misaligned with the business they're supposed to support. The challenge isn't building an integration that works today. The challenge is ensuring it still works tomorrow. Many integration problems don't appear immediately. In fact, some of the most damaging issues develop quietly over time. A duplicate record here. A missing value there. An outdated data format that slowly introduces inconsistencies across systems. The integration may still appear operational. Transactions continue processing. Data continues moving. But accuracy begins to decline. Eventually, those small issues become larger business problems. Payroll calculations can be affected. Inventory records become unreliable. Reports contain inaccurate information. Decision-makers begin working with data they can't fully trust. The danger isn't always a complete failure. Sometimes it's an integration that appears healthy while gradually introducing risk into the business. This is why visibility has become one of the most important elements of modern integration management. Organizations can't manage what they can't see. Without monitoring, teams often discover problems only after users begin reporting them. By then, the impact has already spread across the business. With continuous visibility, teams can identify failed transactions, processing delays, unusual activity patterns, and performance issues as they emerge. Instead of reacting to support tickets, they can proactively investigate and resolve issues before they disrupt operations. Visibility transforms integration management from a reactive activity into a proactive business capability. And in increasingly connected environments, that's no longer optional. It's essential. Here's the reality. The true measure of an integration isn't whether it works on launch day. The true measure is whether it continues delivering reliable business outcomes 6 months, 1 year, or even 5 years later. That's where governance, monitoring, maintenance, and optimization become so important. Successful organizations continuously improve their integrations. They refine performance, strengthen reliability, adapt to changing requirements, and ensure integrations remain aligned with business objectives as the organization grows. Because integration success isn't a moment, it's a life cycle. And the organizations that understand that are the ones that consistently achieve better data quality, stronger operational resilience, and greater returns on their technology investments. Anyone can celebrate a successful launch. The real challenge is sustaining success after the celebration ends. Because Go Live isn't the destination. It's the beginning of a long-term commitment to keeping systems connected, data reliable, and business operations running smoothly. The most successful integrations aren't defined by how they launch. They're defined by how consistently they deliver value over time. At anyconnector, we help organizations build, monitor, govern, and optimize integrations that continue delivering value long after deployment. Because successful integrations aren't projects that end at go live. They're business capabilities that evolve alongside your organization. Thanks for listening to anyconnector Audio Insights. Stay sharp, stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one. This is your host, Ethan Cole.